Hello everyone. Today we will see slope deflection of case number 3rd. A cantilever beam of span L carrying a point load W at the free end. So first of all, what is meant by the cantilever beam? One end is fixed and other end is free, is known as cantilever beam. So one end fixed at point A and other end free at point B. Section XX for the portion of AB with point load W at its free end at a distance from X from section to point B. Theta B is the slope and YB is the deflection. Okay, note, for cantilever beams we take origin as free end point, means B, and consider the moments of all forces to the right section of XX. For cantilever beams we take origin as free end. Okay, so consider the moments of all the forces to the right section XX. Okay, so bending moment at any section XX at a distance X from origin B is given by mx is equal to minus W into X. Calculate the moment at point X is equal to W into X. W point load which are rotating clockwise from the section XX. So W into force is the W and perpendicular distance is the X. So moment at point X is equal to minus W into X is the hogging. Okay. Hogging is the cantilever beam bends in hogging pattern. Now, governing equation of slope and deflection EI d2y by dx square is equal to mx. So EI d2y by dx square, put the value of mx minus W into x. Okay. So EI d2y by dx square is equal to minus W into x. Integrating with respect to x, EI d2y by dx square with respect to x, so dy by dx is equal to minus W. What is the integration of x? X raised to x square divided by 2 plus c1. This is the equation number 1. Okay, where c1 is the constant of integration. Okay, so step first, to find c1. Okay, at fixed end at point A, x is equal to L and dy by dx is equal to 0. Substituting these values in equation 1, we get equation 1. Okay, equation 1, x is equal to L and dy by dx is equal to 0. So put the values. AI into 0 is equal to minus WL square by 2 plus C1. So EI into 0, 0 is equal to minus WL square by 2 plus C1. Therefore C1 is equal to WL square by 2. Substituting the value of these values in equation 1, we get EI dy by dx is equal to EI dy by dx. This is the equation 1. EI dy by dx, okay, minus W into x square by 2 minus W into x square by 2 plus WL square by 2. What is the value of C1? WL square divided by 2. This is the equation number 2. This is the equation of slope at any section between A and B. integrating equation second with respect to x, we have ei into dy by dx with respect to x means y, d by dx of y is equal to minus w by 2 into minus w by 2 into what is the integration of x square x cube divided by 3 plus wl square by 2 with respect to x into x plus c2. This is the equation number third, where c2 is the constant of integration. So to find c2, step second. Okay, at fixed end a, x is equal to L and y is equal to 0. Substituting these values in equation number 3. This is the equation number 3. Then we get x is equal to L, y 0. So this factor 0 is equal to minus w by 2 into x value L cube by 6. So minus w by 6 into L cube plus wl square divided by 2 into L means wl cube by 2 plus c2. Then we get is equal to, solve this equation, then we get 2wl cube divided by 6 plus c2. So c2 is equal to minus 2wl cube divided by 6. Okay, so c2 is equal to minus wl cube divided by 3. Put the value of c2 in equation number 3. We get ei into y is equal to minus wx cube divided by 16. See, this is the equation number third. Minus w by 2 into x cube means minus wx cube by 6 plus wl square by 2 into x. What is the value of c2? Minus wl cube by 3 minus wl cube by 3. Okay, this is the equation number 4. So this is the equation for deflection at any section between A and B. So steps 3rd and 4th to find maximum slope and deflection. So maximum slope and deflection will occur at point B where x is equal to 0. Substituting x is equal to 0 in slope equation second. So ei dy by dx at point B is equal to wl square by 2. So theta b is equal to wl square divided by 2ei radians. This is the equation of slope. So next, substituting x is equal to 0 in deflection equation 4, then we get ei into y max is equal to minus wl cube by 3. So y max is equal to minus wl cube divided by 3 into ei means 3ei. So negative sign indicates that downward deflection at point B. Therefore y max is equal to yb is equal to wl cube divided by 3ei. Okay, this is the equation of deflection of cantilever beam with point load. Okay, thank you.